Here is an example to find maximum profit. The question here is, Office Depot can sell 30 computers per month at $1,200 each. Through a survey, the company has learned that for every $20 drop in price, it can sell one more computer. The total cost for the company to manufacture each computer is $400. Determine the selling price that would maximize the profit, right? Profit is revenue minus the cost, or selling price minus the cost. So let's write down what is the selling price for each computer. At present, they are saying that they are selling 30 computers per month at $1,200 each. So it is $1,200 each. And the cost price is $400 each. That means the profit P, let's say, which is selling price minus cost price, will be $1,200 minus $400, and that is equal to $800 each. So on every computer, profit at present is $800. So net profit, which we want to maximize, at present is, we are selling 30 computers, right? So it is 800 times 30, which is 8 times 3, $24,000. So this is the current scenario. Is it okay? Now let's try to understand the situation. It says, through a survey, the company has learned that for every $20 drop in price, one less computer can be sold. Now if I drop price by $20, what happens to my profit? Cost price still is $400, which is constant, right? Same cost price. So actually, profit on each computer will drop by 20, right? So it'll be 800, which was earlier profit, minus 20. Is it okay? Now, when we talk about net profit, we could actually drop by multiples of 20. So we can say 20N. And if we do that, then the sales will not be 30. It will be higher by 1 each time you drop $20. So it will be higher by 30 plus N. Do you see that? So this is the net profit we're talking about. Net profit, right? So let me call it net profit. So we are interested in this figure to increase, which is cost of each times number of computers sold. Is it okay? So that becomes the I should say profit on each. Sorry. Let me rewrite this. This means profit on each. Profit on each times the number of, this is net profit on each, right? This is each, 800. So the net profit on 30 plus N sold will be multiply each profit by total number of computers sold. So we need to maximize this figure. Now, you could actually expand, do completing the squares, but I'll show you how to do it with factoring. So that's an alternate method. So we'll factor and then show you the result. As you can see, minus n square means the parabola is kind of like this, so we expect a maximum, correct? Now what you notice here is that 800 minus 20n is 0. For n equals to, we can say 800 minus 20n equals to 0, means n equals to 800 divided by 20, which is 40. And 30 plus n equals to 0 means n equals to minus 30. So x's, which will be right in the center, will be where? Midway between them, which is 40 minus 30 divided by 2. And that is 40 minus 30 is 10, divided by 2 is 5. So for n of 5, we are going to get maximum profit, correct? What do we need to find? Determine the selling price that would maximize the profit. So for n equals to 5, we will get maximum profit. See, we have adopted a different approach purposely since we have many examples with completing the squares, right? So if you understand and appreciate this method, it is very short and saves time. So for n equals to 5, what is the selling price? So that is we have 20n, right? So we have to increase or decrease by 20 times n. So selling price should be equal to, original is 1200 minus 20n. Do you see that? So where n is 5, so it is 1200 minus 20 times 5, which is 100. So the selling price should be $1,100. So our answer is selling price is $1,100. So that is how you could do it. Now this method which has been adopted here is very different from the normal methods, but I hope you understand and appreciate it. Thanks and all the best.